So let's talk about the causes of gynecomastia. There are numerous causes. एक तो physiological cause होता है जो body का normal response होता है. That happens in neonates, that is newborn babies. Then when a person hits puberty, that is when the body is changing from the child form to the adult form. उसमें हमारा थोड़ा hormonal imbalance की वजह से gynecomastia हो सकता है. And senescence, that is old age. These are the normal physiologic responses. Other causes क्या हो सकता है? One is endocrine causes, that is hypogonadism. What is hypogonadism? When sufficient male hormone is not being produced in the body, so the female hormone is dominating. That's when you start growing your breasts. Another cause is our thyroid. It's a very important gland of the body. Excess thyroid hormones can also cause gynecomastia. So the next cause is people when they have certain systemic diseases like chronic liver disease, chronic kidney disease, they can also have gynecomastia. Then there are certain drugs which can cause gynecomastia, that is for example marijuana. Then proton pump inhibitors, that is जो randomly gas की गोली लेते रहते हैं वो ज्यादा लोगे तो it can cause gynecomastia. Antipsychotic drugs, then certain drugs which can release estrogen in your body. All these drugs can lead to enlargement of the breasts in males. Then finally the last cause can be malnutrition. आप suddenly weight loss हो गए, आपका breast tissue is not able to lose its weight. And idiopathic. What is idiopathic? Means there is no cause. So these are all the causes of gynecomastia.